how to make friends with foreign people. To me, meet, learn, playing, enjoying. This is the only way.
Hello, I'm from Singapore. I'm an exchange student to be here in Taiwan, and I've come here to play board games.
Hello, my name is Joe. Nice to meet you, and I can teach you some coding. Which one? Oh, this. Spender. Let's press spender. You have to buy and take the gem to buy a car, and this car can regard as a gem, and use this card to buy more cars. And to win, we have to get 15 points. And some cards have the point. We have to get this card. And some detail we will tell you in the game. Oh, I get a 15 points. I win. Good game.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
I have one problem. Nobody wants to play badminton with me. Can you play with me badminton?
Sure, let's go. Let's go to the badminton. You have student ID card?
No, I don't have student ID card.
That's okay. I have a student ID card, and we can learn the badminton record from the fitness center.
Okay, that's good.
Let's go. How about this?
Okay.
Not bad.
Whoa, nice play.
Thank you. Right now I'm very hungry. Can we go to and try some Taiwanese food? How about night market? Okay, let's go.
I will take you to the Zhaohe night market, and I will teach you how to take the MRT to there. So let's go.
Taiwan has the best fried chicken. I also like to eat the beef and also the Taiwanese sausage. Very nice, very juicy.
And we will eat that later.
Food talk show, and I'm asking you about, do you like this food in Taiwan night market?
Yes, I love it a lot. It's very big and a lot of octopus inside.
In your country, Singapore, is there any similar food there?
In Singapore, we have something similar, but I think Taiwan do it better. Taiwan is bigger and more delicious.
Yes, this is the first food in night market.
Okay.
And now is round 2. We are in the How do you feel it?
Very nice, cheesy.
And now is
A bit spicy.
now finally is the original one. And now I'm asking you, which one is your favorite?
I think the cheese is the best because it's cheesy, stringy, and a bit savory. But I like the cheese a lot.
Will you recommend your friend in Singapore that about this restaurant?
Definitely, I'll definitely bring them to come and eat here. There's a lot of food to choose from, a lot of flavors to choose from.
This round 3 is Taiwanese sausage, and please don't taste it.
Very hot. I like the Taiwanese sausage a lot because it's very juicy. There's a lot of fat inside, and when you bite, it's not dry and there's a lot of meat. And also Taiwan sausage is special because it's red color inside. You cannot find it anywhere else in the world. Only Taiwan have the best. This is my first time eating pig's blood.
It's tasty or not?
Nice.
Now we back to the Chang'an University, and it's a very tired day. And what is your most interesting thing in this day?
I think going to the night market was really fun. You don't get a lot of night markets in other countries. Taiwan, I think, is especially famous for their night market. So having the opportunity to travel and see what kind of foods Taiwan have is quite fun. And get to try a lot of things that I don't normally get to try in Singapore.
Do you think today what we do is helpful for you?
I think showing me around like different night market is quite helpful because especially for someone who isn't from around this place, having somebody who is local and knows what food is nice and what is not nice is helpful because I don't waste my time on stuff that doesn't make me feel is worth my time.
When you come back to our country, what things will you be memories about in Chang'an CG University the most?
I think the most I will remember is actually spending time with people in this university, because while I can go out by myself, it's more fun to travel with other people, especially people who are from Taiwan, and they can show me what is different, and they can also show me what do Taiwanese people like to do. It gives me a better experience over here.
Of the day is now 11:59 and tomorrow is the next new day. Thank you for watching and bye. Bye bye.